Question number 8. An arithmetic progression is such that its first term is 6 and its 10th term is 19.5. We know that in arithmetic progression we have first term a, then a plus d, then it move up to the a plus n minus 1 time d. This one is the nth term, an. Find the sum of the first 10 term of the arithmetic progression. And we know that sum formula for the arithmetic progression is equals to n over 2. In bracket we will have 2a plus n minus 1 time d. So in this case we need to find the first 100 terms of the arithmetic progression. So n is equals to 100 and the first term is given, which is equals to the 6. We need to find the value of d. So d can be found out by using this information. It is given that 10th term is 19.5. So a10 is equals to the 19.5. So we can use nth formula. An is equals to a plus n minus 1 time d. So 10th term means a10, which is equals to the a plus n minus 1 means 10 minus 1 time d, which is equals to 19.5. A also given, which is equal to 6. So we can say that 6 plus 10 minus 1 is 9d is equals to 19.5. So 9d is equals to the 19.5 minus 6, which is equals to the 13.5. So d is equals to the 13.5 over 9, which is equals to the 1.5. So we can say the difference is 1.5. So we have the information of the difference, we have the information of first term. So we need to find the sum of the first 100 term. So Sn means as 100, which is equals to n over 2 means 100 over 2. In bracket we will have 2a means 2 times 6 plus n minus 1 means 100 minus 1 time d, we just calculated, which is 1.5. Bracket close. So this one is equals to 50. So this one is equals to 50 times 2 times 6 is 12 plus 99 times 1.5. So sum to 100 term is equals to 50 times 12 plus 99 times 1.5 is 148.5. So this one is equals to 50 times 160.5, which is equals to the 8025, which is the sum to the 100 terms. Part B, a geometric progression which is a1, a2, a3 dot dot is such that a1 is 24 and the common difference is 1 over 2. The sum to infinity of this geometric progression is denoted by S. The sum to infinity of the even number term, which is a2, a4, a6 is denoted by SE. Find the value of S and SE. First we find the value of S because the geometric progression is a1, a2, then a3 and it's move on. Where in this case a1 is equals to 24 and the common ratio is equals to half. And we know that sum to infinity formula is equals to the a over 1 minus r, and in this case a is the first term, which is equals to the a1, which is equals to 24. So we can write it 24 over 1 minus r is given, which is half. So sum to infinity is equals to 24 over 1 minus half is half, and this one is equals to 2 times 24, which is equals to 48. This is a sum to infinity for this geometric progression, which should be denoted by S. So we can call it S. Now we have the even number term, which is a2, a4 and a6. So this one is equals to the a then AR, then AR square, then AR, sorry, this one is square, this one AR cube, and it's move on up to the AR to the power of n minus 1. This one is A1, this one is A2, this one is A3, this one is A4, where A is given, which is 24. So 24, then AR means 24 time ratio, which is half. So 24 time half, then 24 time half square, then 24 time half cube, then 24 time half to the power of 4, and it's move on. So this one is 24, this one is 12, and this one is 6, then this one is 3, and it's move on. So we know that this one is A1, this one is A2, this one is A3, this one is A4. So we need to find the even number term. So new GB is A2, which is 12, then A4, which is 3, and it's move on. And in this case, common ratio is 3 over 12, which is equals to 1 over 4. Okay, so this one is common ratio, and the first term in this case is equals to the 12. So we will apply sum to infinity formula for this geometric progression. So sum to infinity formula is equals to the a over 1 minus r, and in this case a is 12 over 1 minus r means 1 over 4. So 12, and taking LCM 4, so it will be 4 minus 1, which is equals to 12 times 4 over 3, and this one is equals to the 4. So sum to infinity in this case is 4 times 4, which is 16, and we should denote it with the SE. So this one is SE.